Alert! Citibank is going under. Stock market crash is imminent in 2024. Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. Today, we're delving into some urgent financial news that's been making waves recently. In this video, we'll be discussing the alarming situation at Citibank and exploring the potential implications for the stock market in 2024. This information is crucial for young professionals, aspiring investors, and anyone seeking to enhance their financial literacy. We'll break down the complexities of the situation, provide you with insights and strategies, and help you navigate these uncertain times. So let's dive right in. Citibank's current crisis. First and foremost, let's address the elephant in the room, Citibank's current crisis. It's no secret that one of the giants of the banking industry is facing significant challenges. The reasons behind this situation are multifaceted, ranging from economic shifts to regulatory issues. Now let's delve deeper into Citibank's current crisis and the factors contributing to it. As mentioned earlier, the situation is complex and multifaceted. Regulatory fines and penalties have been a significant issue affecting the bank's bottom line. These fines have resulted from various compliance and legal issues that have plagued Citibank in recent years. To add to the mix, the global economy has experienced significant shifts. The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has played a role in creating economic uncertainty, impacting businesses worldwide. For Citibank, this has meant potential loan defaults and a decrease in consumer spending, further straining their financial position. Citibank's troubles began with a series of regulatory fines and penalties, impacting its profitability. These setbacks have raised concerns about the bank's financial stability. Additionally, changes in the global economy, exacerbated by the ongoing pandemic, have created an atmosphere of uncertainty. All of this has left investors on edge, and rightfully so. Additionally, Citibank's exposure to various international markets has made it susceptible to geopolitical tensions and currency fluctuations. All of these factors combined have led to a precarious situation for the bank. So what does this mean for you as an investor or someone looking to enhance their financial literacy? It means that while Citibank's struggles are concerning, they should serve as a reminder of the importance of diversification. Spreading your investments across different assets and sectors can help mitigate the impact of any single company's troubles. While it's essential not to panic, it's equally important to be prepared. Aspiring investors should consider diversifying their portfolios, focusing on more stable assets, and keeping a close eye on Citibank's developments as they unfold. Stock market outlook for 2024. Now let's shift our focus to the broader stock market. Many investors are wondering what 2024 holds for the stock market, given the turmoil in the banking sector. While we can't predict the future with absolute certainty, we can analyze current trends and make informed predictions. As we approach 2024, it's crucial to maintain a cautious yet informed perspective. Market volatility is a possibility, and it's wise to be prepared for various scenarios. Investors who have diversified their portfolios, holding a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets, may be better positioned to weather any storm. Moreover, it's essential to keep an eye on economic indicators and market news. Being well-informed allows you to make rational decisions rather than reacting impulsively to market fluctuations. Remember, emotional decisions can often lead to regrettable outcomes. One thing to keep in mind is that the stock market often reacts to major events in the financial sector. Citibank's struggles could potentially send shockwaves through the market, affecting various sectors and industries. As a result, it's essential to be prepared for potential market volatility. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Investors can take advantage of market fluctuations by adopting a long-term perspective and focusing on fundamentals. Diversification, risk management, and staying informed are key strategies for navigating the uncertainties of 2024. Investment strategies in uncertain times. In times of financial uncertainty, having a well-thought-out investment strategy is crucial. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, the principles remain the same. The key is to be adaptable and informed. Now let's explore investment strategies that can be especially effective during uncertain times like these. One valuable approach is to consider allocating a portion of your portfolio to more conservative assets, such as bonds or precious metals. These can act as a safeguard during market downturns, providing stability to your overall portfolio. Dollar cost averaging is another strategy worth considering. This method involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. Over time, this can help lower the average cost of your investments and reduce the impact of market volatility. Furthermore, diversification across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions can help spread risk. Remember, a well-diversified portfolio can be your best defense against turbulent markets. Another crucial aspect is staying informed about economic indicators and market news. Knowledge is your most potent tool when making investment decisions. Avoid making impulsive choices based on fear or hype, and instead rely on a well-thought-out plan. Achieving financial independence. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate goal for many in the finance world: achieving financial independence. While the current situation with Citibank and the stock market may be unsettling, it's essential to keep your long-term financial goals in mind. Financial independence is not an overnight achievement, but a journey that requires discipline, planning, and patience. Start by setting clear financial goals and creating a budget that allows you to save and invest regularly. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor to help you create a customized plan. Remember that achieving financial independence is not solely about investments. It also involves managing debt, building an emergency fund, and securing adequate insurance coverage. By taking these steps, you can work towards a future where you have the financial freedom to pursue your dreams and passions. In conclusion, the situation at Citibank and the potential stock market turbulence in 2024 are causes for concern, but they shouldn't be causes for panic. By staying informed, diversifying your investments, and adhering to a well-structured financial plan, you can weather these storms and work towards financial independence. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. Remember, the world of finance can be complex, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can navigate it successfully. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for joining us today, and as always, we're here to help you on your journey to financial success. Until next time, take care and invest wisely.